25 years ago, 26 years ago, the Mosaic browser came out. That was really the beginning of the consumer web. You could install this browser, and there were websites. There were only 40,000 in the world at that time, actually. But, you could see what was happening. And if you went back in time to somebody, some super smart, forward-looking futurist person or whatever, and you went back 26 years and you said, hey, see this browser? They're like, yeah, I know that. Yeah, that's cool. There's 40,000 websites. Well, here's the deal. In 26 years, there are going to be billions of people using this technology, billions. And I want you to tell me, what do you think that's going to do to jobs? And they would have perhaps said, well, I bet there won't be any more travel agents because everybody will book their own travel. And I bet there won't be any more stockbrokers because people just buy their own stocks online. People probably won't send mail as much because they'll send email, so there'll be less demand for postal employees. Oh, there probably won't be yellow pages anymore. It was a $30 billion industry. Big, thick books where you could look up businesses. People would just look it up online. Newspapers are going to probably have a hard time. They're going to have to lay a lot of people off. People just get their news online. And for that matter, shopping malls probably have to, close because people just buy stuff online. And that looks like a pretty bleak picture. All this person is doing is telling you all the things that are going to be lost. Because you know what? That person, this hypothetical person, would have been right about everything like that. But they would have missed everything that world would create. They would have missed eBay and Etsy, Facebook, and Twitter, and Airbnb, and Uber, and Google, and literally a million new businesses that created $25 trillion in new wealth.